India will celebrate its 78th Independence Day on August 15 this year. Mahatma Gandhi played an important role in this freedom movement of India. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Mahatma Gandhi is considered as the father of the nation of India. Mahatma Gandhi served as the important leader of the Indian independence campaign. India got freedom from British rule under the leadership of Gandhiji. India gained independence in 1947 from nearly 200 years of British rule through various movements and non-violent methods led by Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji was a social reformer and leader of the Indian independence movement who introduced the concept of non-violent resistance called Satyagraha. The most well-known and important movements in history are part of Mahatma Gandhi's freedom struggle. After organizing the civil disobedience movement for Indians living in South Africa, he returned to India in 1915. On his return to India, he tried to understand the problems of poor farmers and laborers in different parts of the country. Mahatma Gandhi assumed the leadership of the Indian National Congress in 1921 and became the most prominent leader of the Congress and iconic figure in Indian politics. Gandhiji led the Champaran movement in 1917, the Kheda movement in 1918, the Khilafat movement in 1919, the Non-Cooperation movement in 1920, and the Quit India movement in 1942. As upheld the idea of non-violent resistance, Gandhiji also went on a hunger strike for 21 days. It was through these movements and deep efforts of Mahatma Gandhi that India got independence on August 15, 1947.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon to get the latest updates.